Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete website data from Safari on your iPhone. Clearing this data can help free up storage space on your iPhone. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open iPhone setting, scroll down and click here. Scroll down and click here Safari. Scroll down and click here. And here you see here have option website data. Click here. Here you can see how much storage website data is using on your iPhone. Click here and click here. When you delete it, your phone memory will be free. So friends, this video is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.